So today what I want to talk about is super salvage and rebuilding components. I think in our coming world, in the economic conditions we're seeing and the possibility of war, people are going to be forced to rebuild parts they would normally buy. All these old Haynes Tech books that you can find at used bookstores and online, which you can purchase for $1 or $2 plus shipping, they provide you the ability to take one or two transmissions or other components of vehicles and rebuild them into a usable unit. The other thing to consider is, for instance, this Haynes Tech book on Ford automatic transmissions. This covers C3, C4, C5, C6, and AOD. What that does is takes you through all of the Ford transmissions for cars and light trucks all the way up to 1994. What you're going to find is a lot of older surviving trucks that you can use for your homesteading and survival activities are covered by these Haynes Tech books. And you can buy rebuild kits and multiple transmissions and rebuild them to utilize these vehicles. Because moving forward, the ability to actually find replacement units is going to dwindle to nothing. And what I like about these books is it provides you diagrammatic information, actual photographs of the component. This actually takes you all the way through repair and rebuilding these transmissions. It gives you excellent photo coverage and drawings. It gives you the theory, practice, and actual repair diagrams. A lot of times a vehicle won't be working due to something that you can fix pretty easily. But what's really important is that you have this kind of information on hand to do these repairs. The other thing this does is if you have multiple copies of these manuals, it provides you trading material that can be incredibly valuable. The other Haynes Tech book I want to show you here is one specific to electrical repairs. And this takes you through all kinds of electrical repairs. It gives you theory practice like the other books. It shows you how to actually repair things to make components. And it guides you through subsystems and gives you all kinds of diagrammatic information. It shows you how to do trailers, shows you all kinds of things. And what I like is it covers starters, it covers all kinds of components and how the electronics in it can be repaired. This manual also provides detailed coverage of how to repair and diagnose alternators. This is another skill that's necessary. A lot of these items, you may have a few things that go bad in it and you can repair them yourself, which precludes you having to go out and look for something. So this is another item that is good for your shop. If you have extra copies, that's excellent bartering material. Because moving forward, these tech books and the ability to put surviving vehicles back in action is going to be critical. So these are winners on two fronts, and it doesn't take much money to get these items. Please share your thoughts, and we'll see you on the next video.